In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process for how to perform a BIOS update on Alienware devices. The system BIOS, also known as system setup, is the firmware on a small memory chip on the computer's motherboard that activates all the basic hardware required to boot the operating system. Keeping it up to date will fix problems and add features to your system. BIOS updates also provide more security and increased stability for the PC. Visit the link in the card for in-depth information about Dell BIOS. Before updating your system BIOS, be sure to temporarily suspend the device encryption or BitLocker. Both features work to protect your information. For Windows 11 Home users, the feature will be called Device Encryption. For Windows 11 Pro, Education, and Enterprise editions, the feature is BitLocker. To disable device encryption, open your system settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Click on Device Encryption. Turn off the device encryption button at the top. Confirm by clicking again on Turn Off. To disable BitLocker, open the control panel. Go to System and Security. Click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Click on Turn Off BitLocker and then Confirm. For more information about BitLocker, click on the link in the card. If you are using a laptop, make sure it is connected to the charger before you start the BIOS installation. Go to dell.com/support. Identify the model of your computer using your system service tag or the automated option with Support Assist. Go to Drivers and Downloads. Select the operating system that is installed on your computer, and under Category, select BIOS. Find the latest system BIOS version for your PC. Before proceeding, let's check the BIOS version on your system. Go to the Start menu and search MS-Info32. Check under BIOS version and compare it with what is on the website. If you have a BIOS version that is more than 2 versions behind the latest available, we recommend installing the versions in between before installing the latest one. In the BIOS section of the support page, download the older versions one by one until you get to the latest version. Each installation process is individual and the system will restart every time. Click Download and save the file to your computer. Double-click the downloaded BIOS setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. The computer will then restart. After each system restart, if you encounter the device encryption or BitLocker enabled, be sure to suspend the feature before moving on with the next BIOS installation. If you have any further questions, be sure to contact us via social media.